welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. I'm so happy you're here with me today. If you're new here, please like, subscribe. I welcome suggestions, comments. Thank you for joining me today. Today's workout is all about sun salutations. We will flow through a complete beginner sun salutation. So have your mat ready and let's begin. I suggest having your mat facing vertical instead of horizontal like mine is, so that you can practice freely looking at me. I will show the side view so that you know the alignment and can follow my cues. Let's begin at the top of the mat. Our hands, our arms are by our side. Your gaze is forward. Let's begin with 3 breaths, lifting the arms up. Palms come to touch. Palms go down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Going with your own breath, rooting down through the feet. Feeling that sense of calm, of reassuring, resiliency, that energy and strength, and also that comfort and balance. Once more. Place your palms forward in front of your room. Let's take some gentle breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Preparing the body, easing the mind. Similar to the breath sequence, we'll lift the arms up, out to the side with an inhale. We're slowly going to melt those hands, those arms bending at the hips. Come up halfway in an inhale, flat back. Exhale, the hands plant. That right leg steps back, the knee plants. And we stand up in this low lunge. Very good. Place the hands down. Step the foot forward. Inhale, cartwheeling the hands up. And then exhale, those hands come to prayer heart center. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold forward at the hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Hands come to the shins. Exhale, plant the hands. Step that left foot back. That left knee drops. Knee is stacked over the ankle on that right side. We exhale, coming down. Transitioning back. Take that beneficial inhale and then exhale. Let's go through this 3 more times. Take that inhale and exhale. Flat back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, plant the hands. That right foot steps forward. Inhale up and exhale, hands together. Inhale and exhale, flat back. Inhale and exhale. Left foot steps back, left knee comes down. Inhale up to low lunge. Exhale, plant the hands. That left foot steps forward. Inhale, fully up. And exhale, hands together. Once more, inhale. And exhale, round forward. Inhale to that flat back. Exhale, come into low lunge. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, fully up to rise. And exhale. Once more, inhale. Exhale, bend at the hips. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, step back. Inhale, upright. Exhale, hands come to the center. Left foot comes to the center. Inhale, fully up. And exhale. Excellent job. We'll flow through this 2 more times. Going at your pace, following in your own pattern, that rhythmic mobility, that dynamic breath guiding your way. Let's begin. One more. Come to the center of your mat. Place your hands by your side in mountain pose. Feel that energy that you created, how that breath guided your way. Enjoy this practice morning, afternoon, evening to promote either energy for your day to reduce that fatigue, or finding that stillness with the movement, that mindful movement to help relax and calm the body. Enjoy your day.